Yo, what's up my people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Davy Jnr, your village boy, and if it's your first time on this YouTube channel, consider subscribing guys. We on the road to 10k subscribers. Make it happen as soon as possible. I just woke up and I'm cleaning my face. Anyways, on today's video guys, I wanna show you how we prepare porridge and cooked bananas here in our village. So hope you enjoyed this video till to the end. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel guys. Yo guys, welcome to our outside kitchen. So what I'm holding here, this is flour. It is a mixture of sorghum and cassava. Yeah, right here. See, wow, this is boiling water and it is ready because you can see the bubbles there. So I wanna stir this flour. This is water. And whoa. And so what I'm doing, I'm stirring the flour to mix. The mixture is ready now, that I can add to the water here. After that, I have to cover the sufuria or the cooking pot for a while for our porridge to boil. Finally, our porridge is ready. You can see right there, those are bubbles, and it is a sign that it is boiled to the maximum. So it is time to remove it from the cooking area. Wow. Wow. Wow, look at these. I know other people may say that why have we not added some sugar? Let me tell you guys, here in our village, we don't care about sugar. We just take it how it is. Yeah. So guys, what I'm holding right here, these are green bananas. So we wanna prepare them. And the breakfast for today, it is porridge made of sorghum and cooked bananas. Other people call them matoke, especially in our neighboring country, that is Uganda. It is a staple food for them. And that's my sister right there.
Hello, hi viewers.
Yeah, she is a shy girl. She helps us in our daily chores here in the kitchen. Yeah, these are the peels from the green bananas, and that's how she does it. Wow. Yeah. So she's washing the bananas so that they can be cooked. Here, these are the ingredients. These are tomatoes. We call them in Swahili nyanya. Nyanya in Swahili. And these are onions. In Swahili we call them kitunguu. Right there, she's chopping the bananas into small pieces for them to cook fast. So we're adding the bananas inside. We're adding the tomatoes now. Yeah. Finally guys, the bananas are ready. You can see there the bubbles, and that's the good sign that they are ready for use. Wow. Do you love what you're seeing guys right here? Yeah, that's it. It is as simple as that. Wow. So guys, what I'm doing here, I'm just feeding the chickens using this food. We call it corn or maize. It is one of the staple foods here in Kenya. That's it. So I wanna say thank you for supporting me. I appreciate. And right now I'm not feeling well because I lost my voice a few days ago, but I'm not complaining. You know, I have to keep things moving. I believe in hard work, resilience. Yeah, and right there, that's our goals. This one feeding right there, that one, another one at the far end there. Wow. Thank you guys. I want to end this video right here. Greetings from Kenya, in the village. See you in my next video guys. Bye.